Hi, good morning everyone. Alright, let's get going. So this video will be about instructions for paper 1, right? So ICT paper 1, today will be the 7th of June, the year 21. Okay, so if alright, so here's the first instruction. Log on to your server, alright? I mean the server that we have been using. Alright, you will find out that most of your stuff have been pushed into desktop, a folder called desktop. Alright, so don't panic, most of your stuff are there and your homework is also there. Okay, so let's get going. I would like you guys to look for this file called This Is Where All Your Answers Begin. But before that, first thing to do is make sure that you are able to get to your Google Classroom, right? So you need to go to your Google Classroom account, so that you know where to upload. All right, so first thing first, there will be a new category of final. It's not just like this is my demo account, but there is a new category called final, and the one that you are supposed to be looking at right now will be this one. The time is nearly 9 a.m. so this is the paper. All right, so this is the place where you want to submit your paper, electronic paper, PDF, right? So first, let's rename this file into your name, with your name on it. All right, so right click and rename, get to the first. All right, so that's it, and you guys are required to use Microsoft Edge to open this file. All right, so here are the first few instructions. All right, ignore the weak grammar. All right, all right, so mind blown. Please rename this file. We have already done that. Use Microsoft Edge to answer your question by adding highlight or comment or draw. Whichever case, it boils down to I will be the one that be reading your answers. All right, so more instruction like this, it will be blue color. All right, so here's to test it out. Let's say candidate name, highlight somewhere nearby. All right, and add comment. My name is Chan. All right, and thick. Okay, other names, just highlight them and add comment. My name is Leonard. All right, you will understand that you can type quite a lot of things inside. All right, so here's some example. All right, so add more comments. Right, so you can write a lot of stuff here, so you can select all and copy paste. You can write down a lot of stuff, right? Well, there's a lot of scrolls here, so I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the question, and you may find you may find dots like this. All right, so here's how you can put your answers. You can highlight the whole line, you can highlight some part of it, but don't highlight only a one particular dot. All right, to make your comment. All right, make it long so that it's obvious and I can find your answers. All right, so this one, highlight your answers, like just highlight the word and use highlight and give it a color. All right, so if you make a wrong mistake, you may be able to hover your mouse on top and go to erase and erase them. So more of the instruction like this, highlight your answers, and you can also use draw to mark what you want. All right, so as long as I can understand that is your answers, and it's okay. Next will be about drawings. Well, anyway, there will be a question where you need to draw your answers. This one, right? So use Microsoft Edge draw function for this part. Zoom in so that you have more space to work. Okay, how about like this? Right, it means like this. Let's say you want to you want to draw a circle, right? But it's quite hard to make a circle, so you can zoom in. Let's zoom in here, right? Then make a circle, all right? Or draw some shapes, all right? So that you have more space for your mouse to make the shapes that you really wanted while you're zooming in. You see, it doesn't look so bad, right? So if you need to erase, do erase. So okay, so I think those are the few types of answers that you can give. All right, so save. How do we save? Before saving, you can see that there is a star in front of your name in the upper left corner here. So this is to indicate that you haven't saved this file. So how do we save? There is a save button over here. There's another one is that you can Control S to save. All right. So once you save, you are it is best that you also double check. So try it out first before you go through all the questions, and try it out first. All right. Highlight, put a comment, save, and close it. Double check again by double clicking it. Right. If you can find your stuff there, it's good. All right. Next will be uploading your answers. All right. So go to this page. Make sure that you are on paper 1. All right. So you can see the time is very obvious. Add or create. Choose file and go to browse on your desktop. Right, go to your desktop and choose this one. Select open, and it will upload this file. And another one way to see that if this is the correct file or not before you hand in, click on it. Right, click on it. If you're able to see the one that is highlighted, especially the last highlight that you put your answers as comment, all right, that is the one that you want to look at. All right, so at least go to the bottommost and you can see the latest answers that you put. They are highlighted. It's good, and you can press this close button, all right, and hand in. Once it's hand in, I'm sure to be able to get it. Okay, but do not submit, right? Do not late submit or suffer some consequences, I guess, right? Unless there's a good reason for it. So you have ample time. You have added extra time, half an hour. All right. So good luck in answering your questions, and have a nice exam ahead. Goodbye.